If you prefer a data-based buying guide, then you are in the right place. Welcome to our channel. We are techies, not salesmen. No flashy words or biased opinions. We made this list based on the big data collected from customers, manufacturers, as well as our data providers. Thanks to our exclusive unsupervised learning AI system, analyzing and comparing all these products couldn't be more accurate or efficient. We list the best buy products and their competitive advantages. This list includes options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and the updated prices on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below and feel free to subscribe. Okay, now let's start our list.
Meet the Ninja Foodie family. Now, there's a foodie for everyone. And by everyone, we mean the roasters, the steak grillers, the sheet pan meal thrillers, the bakers, the cocktail shakers, the skillet cookie makers, the soupers, the burger flippers, the french fry dippers, the toasters, the smoothie sippers, the chicken wing crispers. Whoever you are, whatever you want to make, be proud of what you cook.
Introducing the Crock-Pot Cook and Carry Slow Cooker, a cooking solution that is as at home in the kitchen as it is on the road. The stylish stainless finish looks sleek and clean on any countertop, and the secure fitting lid and locking system ensures that your recipe can go wherever you go with no hassle and no mess. And the removable stoneware can go right from the counter to the dinner table. The high and low temperature settings offer cooking time flexibility for your recipes. No matter the occasion, the Crock-Pot Cook and Carry Slow Cooker is the perfect solution for today's busy on-the-go lifestyle. Cook, carry, and go.